In this video, I'm going to show you two examples of how to add mixed numbers with like denominators. In the first example, we're going to add 4 and 2/7 with 3 and 3/7. We'll start by typing the mixed numbers in the area on the left side of the slide. We'll be adding the fractions first, so 2/7 plus 3/7 is 5/7, and then we will add the whole numbers, 4 and 3, which equals 7. Then we need to determine if we can reduce the fraction 5/7. We can't in this example, so 7 and 5/7 is the final answer. In the second example, we're going to add 2 and 3/8 with 3 and 7/8. Again, we're going to type the mixed numbers on the left side of the slide. We'll add the fractions first, so 3/8 plus 7/8 equals 10/8, and then the whole numbers, 2 plus 3 equals 5. In this example, our fraction can be reduced. So we're going to type our fraction 10/8 on the right side of the slide, and we'll divide both the numerator and denominator by their greatest common factor, which is 2. When we do this, the fraction 10/8 reduces to 5/4. 5/4 is an improper fraction, which we're going to turn into a mixed number. So 5/4 can also be renamed as 1 and 1/4. We'll add the 1 and 1/4 to the 5 wholes in the original answer to get a final answer of 6 and 1/4.